Hi, I am Gerald Permarin from the Philippines, and I have the environment as my advocacy in life. I am currently part of the Philippine Youth Environment Network, and I work with our government's Department of Environment and Natural Resources projects, and I was the president of our university's Environmental Science Society. I find it very fulfilling to have led 666 members of my organization to perform environmental projects such as international coastal cleanups, eco tours, eco debates, eco quiz bee, and social media awareness campaigns on how to live greener lifestyles. I was the Philippine delegate for Tunza Conference in Indonesia where we created the Bandung Declaration read during the Rio Plus 20 conference and in the Third East Asian Seas Congress in South Korea, where we brainstormed for the youth statement delivered during the ministerial forum. Even though a lot of statements have been said about climate change, I strongly believe that we must innovate more to effect drastic changes, and I am currently advocating eco-technologies to answer this problem. We destroyed our environment using old polluting technologies such as fossil fuels and coal, and I believe that we can bring back what we have lost through eco-technologies and make unsustainable practices to a sustainable one, which can also generate livelihood for the community. Challenges include financial resources, promising scientific researches, and changing people's preferences to support green products. Joining global change makers will definitely increase my network, learn from each other's experiences, and create actionable plans to the community. Environment has been my cause in the past 7 years because time is running out. The drumbeat is getting louder and louder. At the end of the day, we only have one world.